7%, and there is also a range mentioned in the 7th or 8th unit. Also remember that unilateral aphakia gives how much anisoconia. Like this anisoconia, every line written here is very important. Please, every line is an MCQ, very important. Read about accommodation and presbyopia, eye growth and refractive errors, very important. Okay, what on what factors the refractive speed depends? It depends upon corneal power, lens power, anterior chamber depth, and axial length. These four, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. These show the refractive status. And babies are born on what? 3 diopter hyperopia. Past MCQ. In first few months, what happened? At the end of first year, 1 diopter hyperopia, again an MCQ. In this topic, every line is an MCQ. Every line is an MCQ. Please read very carefully. Every line is an MCQ. Developmental myopia. Again, very important. Very important. Okay. First of all, definition of myopia. High myopia. Okay. Myopia is highly inheritable. This percentage was asked. In how much percentage that it is heritable? Okay. Environmental factors. Every line in this topic is important. Every line. And again, prevention of myopia. Progression, very important. Every line here is an MCQ. What factors decreases the myopia progression? Studies have shown that low dose atropine, remember this dose, please remember this dose, progression, and also other factors like 2 hours of the outdoor activity and avoidance of the excess near work has also been reduced. These 3 factors. Okay, one is atropine, 2 hours of the outdoor activity, and excessive avoidance of the excessive near work. Okay, just give a read. And chapter exercises, I have already mentioned that all the chapter exercises are important. Okay, that was all about this.